All right, guys, now we're going to do the letters M and N. And first, we're going to start with M. Just pretty easy. It's pretty much the same as a capital M, except it doesn't have points. It curves because it's cursive. So a regular capital M looks like this, and a lowercase looks like this. So it's pretty similar, except it curves. All right, so a capital M, you're going to start right up here at the top. You come all the way down, and it's a little slanted. Hit the top line, curve, come all the way down. Top line, curve, come all the way down. You have a nice little tail, nice little kick. And lowercase m is pretty much the same, except it's all underneath the dotted line. It's underneath the halfway mark. Other than that, it's formed the exact same way. So first, we're going to do the capital M. Start right here, come down. Remember, you're slanted when you're doing this. Right here. Now do slow motion. Start right here, hit the top line, slant down, come back up, curve around, slant down, come back up, slant down, give a nice little foot. So just like that. Now I want one underneath each of those, and since M is so huge, you're not going to write near as many. And it's pretty easy to write. So here's the freehand example. All right, so pretty similar, not too bad. Lowercase, pretty much the same thing, except it's underneath the dotted line. Just going to do loop, 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 and a foot. Slow motion, start right here, hit the middle line, come down, hit the bottom line, loop back up to the middle, come back down to the bottom, loop back up to the middle, come back down to the bottom, and then give it a nice little kick. So remember, freehand should look very similar. It should not be way off base. It should not be underneath the line if it's not supposed to be. It should look pretty close to tracing. Is it going to be perfect? No. It's your first time doing this, so I don't expect it to be perfect. And that's A-okay. Except for you, Cadence, yours should be perfect. All right. Now we are doing our words. Mom. Do one more mom here, and let's just do one more miss right here, okay? One for you right each. So mom starts down here. Come back around. This is the O, so you're going to stop halfway between. Look back around, come through, and just do another M. Mom. Next is mess, which we know a lot of people are messy. Miss Alter. All right, an M, E, S, S. Be careful of those S's. Make sure you have a point at the middle of those S's. I know you haven't done them yet, but this is just a little FYI. Okay, so it's letter M. We'll do the letter N very quickly. All right, and the N is almost exactly the same, except it just has one less loop. I mean, that's the big difference. Same with the regular N, but here's a capital N, and here's a lowercase n. So, I mean, they're kind of similar, but the cursive N and the cursive M are very similar. It's just the M has one more loop. So they start the same way. You come back down, you stay in slanted, hit the top line again, come back down, give it a tail. Same thing with lowercase. It looks almost exactly the same, except there's one less loop in it. That's why even a lot of adults mess it up. Sometimes they actually do extra, and they shouldn't. So uppercase N, come down. Remember, stay slanted when you're writing. And curve. Slow motion. Start right here. Hit the top line. Come down with a slanted motion. Hit the top line. Come back down and curve it around. All right. I want one underneath each one of those. So freehand, down, come back up, whip around, nice little tail. All right. So it should look something like that. Lowercase, same thing as the lowercase m, except there's one less loop. All right. Slow motion. Start right here in the middle. Hit the middle line, come down slanted, loop back up, hit the middle line, bottom line, and give a nice tail. So it should look something like this. All right. Actually, that one looks terrible, so let me undo that one. Let me redo it. See, we make mistakes too. And I can't stand this pen. That's a little better. Not a whole lot, but it's better. But pencil's a lot easier using these pens. Okay, scrolling down to the words. And that'll be it for these videos. So we have 9 and nice. I want you to do one more 9. And yeah, let's do one more nice. I know you could probably fit more, but that's okay. So 9 starts at the bottom line, hits the top line, slants back down, comes back around, have an I, another N. Now we have our E. Do not pick up your pencil until you're done and then put the dot. Now we have nice. N, I, C, E. And put the period. All right. So that's all you have to do for these two. That's letter N and M. Thank you.